this over with.
I bet he wouldn't have so much trouble disguising himself as a woman.
Now, whoever told you that anything a woman has to do is easy? Girl, just listen. It's not easy for a woman to look like a man. It is no easy matter, but we do what we can. Now it's real hard to be flatter where we are not flat. To some it wouldn't matter, but we know what we got, honey, I'm telling you. We've got the style and graces to keep curves in their places, but in this situation, now to show them wouldn't be right. We've got the line and figure, and all the womanly figure, but for our preservation, we must keep them out of sight, 'cause it's not easy for a woman to look like a man. It is no easy matter, baby, but we do what we can. Now it's real hard to be flatter in places we're not flat. It's all one of a matter, but no matters quite a lot, 'cause we got imagination and a lot of determination to face up to the challenge and to pull our stays real tight. Now we're